So welcome to this video class. In this video class I am going to discuss exercise 4.2 last 3 problems, 12th, 13th, 14th problems. The 12th question is, prove that determinant of 1x x square 1 x square 1 is equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. Here 1 minus x cube whole square means 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube. So when we adding rows or adding columns or using any operations, so we cannot get 1 minus x cube is the common factor, because here there is no x cube in the determinant. Any element is not x cube in the determinant, so we cannot get 1 minus x cube as a common factor directly. So here 1 minus x cube is same as this is 1 cube minus x cube, a cube minus x cube formula ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. So a cube minus x cube is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So therefore here 1 minus x cube whole square is same as 1 minus x into 1 plus x square whole square. So that means here to prove 1 minus x 2 times, 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square whole square. So we need to prove determinant of this value is 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square whole square. That means 2 factors 1 minus x, 2 factors 1 plus x square. So therefore 1 minus x cube is same as 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square. So 1 minus x, suppose here common factor 1 plus x square, adding first row element, second row element, third row element, we get 1 plus x square plus x, that is 1 plus x square. Here also first row element, second row element, third row element. So adding these three, again we get 1 plus x square. X square plus x plus 1, again we get 1 plus x square is the common factor. So therefore here LHS is equal to determinant of 1 x square 1 x square 1. So using the property, here column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, no problem. So column 1 is column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, or R1 is R1 plus R2 plus R3, so no problem. Here apply column 1 changes to column 1 element plus column 2 element plus column 3 element, that is C1 plus C2 plus C3. So therefore your first column changes to column 1 element plus column 2 element plus column 3 element, that is 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x, that is also 1 plus x square, x square plus 1, that is 1 plus x square. Second column as it is, x 1 x square x 1. Observe this, in the first column contains 1 plus x square is the common factor. If there is a common factor along any one row or one column, we can take outside the determinant. So by using the properties, take 1 plus x square, take outside. So the remaining in first column is 1 and second column is x 1 x square, third column x square x 1. Next, whenever you observe this, whenever we have each element in the first column is 1 1 1, make these two as zeros. Using the properties, R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So using these properties, 1 plus x square into your first row same as it is 1 x square, second row changes to second row element minus first row element, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus x, x minus x square, x minus x square. And third row changes to third row element minus first row element, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, x square minus x, next 1 minus x square. Again observe the second row. Here second row element is 0 into 1 minus x, 1 minus x. If we take x common, x minus x square is x into 1 minus x. Again 1 minus x is a common factor along R2. Third row is 0, 0 into 1 minus x. X square minus x is equal to x square minus x is equal to, if we take minus x is common, minus x into 1 minus x. So again 1 minus x square is equal to 1 plus x into 1 minus x. In the second row 1 minus x is common. In third row again 1 minus x is common. You are taking 1 minus x common from C1, sorry, R2 and R3 respectively. So therefore that becomes 1 plus x square into determinant of your first row same, 1 x square. Second row you take out 1 minus x common, the elements are 0, 1, so that is x. If you take x common, x into 1 minus x, remaining is x, 0 minus x and 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square is equal to 1 plus x into 1 minus x. If you take 1 minus x outside, the remaining is 1 plus x. So now, so you take 1 minus x common from R2 and R3, so that is 1 minus x whole square. Therefore 1 plus, that is 1 plus x square into 1 minus x whole square into, so expand along R1 plus minus plus, that is 1 into, delete first row and first column, 1 into 1 plus x is 1 plus x, minus of minus x square, that is x square, minus x into delete first row and second column, 0 minus 0, so 0 minus 0, plus x square into delete first row and third column, 0 minus 0, so that is 1 minus x square, 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square into, so this becomes 0 and x square into 0 is 0, so 1 into 1 plus x square is 1 plus x square, so that is 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square whole square, so that is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square whole square by loss of exponents. So this 1 minus x into 1 plus x square is same as 1 minus x cube, a cube minus b cube formula, so 1 minus x cube whole square. So this is RHS. So this is the proof of 12th question. So this is very important. So first observe the elements. So this is 1 minus, we cannot get 1 minus x cube common directly, so that's why your 1 minus x cube is same as 1 minus x into 1 plus x square using a cube minus b cube formula. So therefore, so first take the common factor 1 plus x square, so we get a common, and next 1 minus x take outside, so we get the answer. So this is the procedure. Next 13th question. Question number 13. Prove that determinant of 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square, 2a 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square, value is 1 plus a square plus b square whole to the power of 3. Here prove that determinant of 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b, 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square 2a, 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. So how to get common factor? 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube means 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square. So this factor comes into 3 times. So now LHS is, now take LHS is, so say that one 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2ab minus 2b. So observe the elements first. How to get 1 plus a square plus b square common? So observe the first column elements are 1. Here R1 elements are 1 plus a square minus b square. Observe the third column minus 2b minus 2b. Suppose if we multiply R2, so this is the column 1 element. So this is column 3 element. Suppose if we multiply minus b for column 3 element, so minus b into column 3 element is minus 2b, minus b into minus 2b is plus 2b square, add this common plus 2b square, add column 1 element, that is 1 plus a square minus b square, add this element for column 1 element, so 2b square, so that is 1 plus a square plus 2b square minus b square is b square. We get the common factor 1 plus a square plus b square. Therefore apply the property. Here c1 changes to c1 minus b times of c3. c1 column 1 element. Here multiply column 3 element by minus b, multiply column 3 element by minus b and add it to the first column element. So we get 1 plus a square plus b square. So first observe the elements, how to get 1 plus a square plus b square common. So that is more important. So therefore here apply c1 is c1 minus b times of c3. So therefore here applying c1 is c1 minus b times of c3. And next observe the second row 2ab. So here 1 minus a square plus b square, 1 minus a square plus b square, that is column 2 element. Here 2a is column 3 element. So therefore here suppose multiply column 3 element by a, so this becomes 2a square. 2a into a is 2a square. Add column 2 elements, 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square. The value is 1 minus a square plus 2a square is 1 plus a square plus b square. Again we get the common 1 plus a square plus b square. Therefore applying, and c2 is c2 plus a times of c3. So using these two properties, LHS becomes, here first row is 1 plus a square minus b square minus b into 2 minus 2b, that is plus 2b square. We get 1 plus a square plus b square. Next 2ab, so 2ab column 1 element minus b times of 2a, that is 2ab. So get 0, so the value is 0. Next 2b minus b times of this one, b times of 1 minus a square minus b square. So the value is 2b minus b, minus into minus plus a square plus b square. So 2b minus b is plus b plus a square, minus b plus ba square plus b cube. Here 2b minus b is b plus ba square plus b cube. If we take b common, 1 plus a square plus b square. So therefore this element is b into 1 plus a square plus b square. Second column elements are second column element, so 2ab plus a time of this element, that is minus 2b into a, that is minus 2ab. So these two get cancelled, the value is 0. Next, 1 minus a square plus b square plus a time of 2a, that is 2a square. So that is 1 minus a square plus 2a square is plus a square plus b square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square. Next, minus 2a, second column element, plus a into 1 minus a square minus b square, that is minus 2a plus a minus a cube minus a b square. So minus 2a plus a is minus a cube minus ab square. If you take minus a common, 1 plus a square, 1 plus a square plus b square. So therefore this element is minus a into 1 plus a square plus b square. And third column element, there is no condition, so as it is minus 2b, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Observe this, here 1 plus a square plus b square, 0 into 1 plus a square plus b square, b into 1 plus a square plus b square. So therefore in the first column 1 plus a square plus b square common. Similarly in the second column also 0 into 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 into 1 plus a square plus b square, minus a into 1 plus a square plus b square. So in the third column, second column also having 1 plus a square plus b square common. You are taking 1 plus a square plus b square common from C1 and C2. We get in the first column 1 plus a square plus b square, take outside, into again in the second column also take 1 plus a square plus b square, take outside, so that becomes 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. So into first column becomes 1 0 b, second column becomes 0 1 minus a, third column as it is minus 2b, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Expand along R1, expand along R1. What are the signs? Plus minus plus, that is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into plus 1 into, delete first column elements, 1 into 1 minus a square minus b square is 1 minus a square minus b square minus a into 2a is plus minus 2a square, minus of minus 2a square is plus 2a square. Next, minus 0 into any second order determinant is 0, minus 2b into, so 0, delete first and third column elements, 0 minus b. So that is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 minus a square plus 2a square is plus a square minus b square, 0 minus into minus plus 2b square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square is plus b square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square. So 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 plus a square plus b square is 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube, that is RHS. Here also elements are very important. How to common factor RHS. Observe the RHS and observe the elements, how to get the common factor using the operations, either row operations or column operations. So that is more important. So next, question number 14. Prove that determinant of a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. We have to prove. So this is very important. So 4 marks question already asked in the examination also. Prove that determinant of a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1. Observe the RHS 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Here 1 plus, how to get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square? Here elements are, so not in terms of a square b square c square, a b a c b c a c c b, so like that. So we cannot get, either adding rows or columns, we cannot get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square is the common factor. So that's why this is some different problem. So now take LHS is equal to this one. So we have to prove, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So take LHS. Here multiplying r1 by a. So whenever we multiply any row or column by some element, the determinant value changes. Whenever we multiply and divide by same thing, the value does not change. So that's why multiply and divided by r1 by a comma r2 by b and r3 by c. Here divide outside, multiply inside the row. Here multiply r1 by a, divide outside the determinant by a. Next multiply r2 elements by b and divide outside the determinant by b. Next multiply r3 elements by c and divide whole determinant by c outside. So therefore your LHS becomes 1 by divide a, divide b and divide c. Here multiply r1 by a, that is a into a square plus 1, ab into a is a square b, ac into a is a square c. Multiply r2 by b, so ab square, b into b square plus 1, b into bc is b square c, and multiply r3 by c, that is c square a, c square b, c into c square plus 1. Now observe the first column, a is common, a common. Observe the second column, b common, b common. Third, observe the third column, c is common. So therefore taking a comma b comma c, a b and c from abc common from c1 c2 and c3 respectively. So therefore here 1 by abc, here a take common from c1, take outside, b take common from c2, b, c take common from c3, so take outside. Here first column becomes a square plus 1, b square, c square, if you take a outside. Next here take b outside the determinant, second column becomes if b common outside, so second column becomes a square, b square plus 1, c square. If you take c common from column 3, so column 3 becomes a square, b square, c square plus 1. Now adding first row element, second row first element, third row first element, that is r1 is changes to r1 plus r2 plus r3. So that becomes 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 1, that is also 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, a square b square plus c square plus 1, again we get the 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. So ABC get cancelled, that is determinant of applying this property. First row becomes 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and second element becomes adding these three, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, this is also 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and second row same, b square plus 1, b square, c square, c square, c square plus 1. So take common, observe the first row, each element is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square is common, so take outside the determinant, that becomes 1 plus is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, take outside determinant of 1 1 1, that is second row, b square plus 1, b square, c square, c square, c square plus 1. Observe this again. Here the first column elements are 1 1 1. We use the properties C2 is C2, make these two elements as 0, C2 minus C1, and C3 is C3 minus C1. So whenever each element in the first row is 1 1 1, so we can directly apply the properties C2 is C2 minus C1 and C3 is C3 minus C1. So therefore here LHS is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into determinant of your first column same as it is 1 b square c square, second column becomes 1 minus 1 0, b square plus 1 minus b square 1, c square minus c square 0, and column 3 changes to column 3 element minus column 1 element, 1 minus 1 is 0, b square minus b square is 0, c square plus 1 minus c square is 1. So clearly one side of the principal diagonal, above the principal diagonal all elements are zeros, then the value of determinant is product of the principal diagonal elements, that is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, the value of this whole determinant is 1 into 1 into 1, because using the property above the principal diagonal all elements are zeros, the value of determinant is product of the principal diagonal elements, that is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, value of this determinant is 1 by using the property 8. So therefore your 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into 1 is same as, that is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So this is RHS. So this is the proof. So very important in the exam point of view. So already 2-3 times asked in the annual examination. So therefore you observe the first LH elements and RHS, what we need to prove, that is very important. Observe the RHS. RHS is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. How to get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common when we apply row operations or column operations? Suppose if it is not possible, so there is another technique. So suppose if we done this method, so definitely we get the answer 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square easily. So this is very important question. So these are the exercise 4.2 problems.